Forgotten username recovery failed on Bank of America fix. If you're locked out of your Bank of America account and the forgot username recovery isn't working, don't panic. This problem is more common than you think, and most people get it wrong when trying to fix it. The issue usually comes down to mismatched personal details or an outdated email address. Here's how to solve it step by step. Start by going to the official Bank of America sign-in page and clicking Forgotted. The system will ask for your card or account number, the last 6 digits of your social security number, and your zip code. Make sure every piece of information matches exactly what's on file. Even a small typo like an old zip code or a mistyped number can cause the recovery process to fail. If that doesn't work, try selecting the Don't Have Your Card Number option. You can then use your email address or telephone number to find your ID. Again, this must be the same contact info you used when you first created your account. If you're not receiving the recovery email, check your spam and promotions folders. Bank of America's emails sometimes get filtered out. Also, ensure your email inbox isn't full, as that can block new messages. If you've changed your phone number or email recently, that's likely the problem. In that case, call Bank of America directly at 1-800-432-1000. Their support team can verify your identity and restore your username securely. The surprising truth is that the Bank of America recovery system is extremely secure, and that's why it can feel strict. Once you verify your details correctly, you'll get back into your account quickly. Always keep your contact information updated in your profile to avoid this problem in the future.